Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2006 Ford GT. Equipped with a 5.4-liter, 550 horsepower V8 engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. This car is finished in a beautiful Mark IV red Clearcoat exterior and black leather interior with brushed aluminum trim. This is an exceptionally clean GT that comes nicely appointed, including Ricardo 6-speed manual, Brembo brakes, stainless steel dual exhaust, HID headlights, full aerodynamic package, 18-inch front, 19-inch rear aluminum wheels, red calipers, leather trimmed seats with carbon fiber structure, leather trimmed interior, AC, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, leather wrapped steering wheel, and much more.